This is Duke King 420. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope everyone enjoyed episode 2 of Lazlo Gets Grounded, where Lazlo misbehaved during online school. Up next on Lazlo Gets Grounded, Lazlo pulls the fire alarm at school. Find out what happens next on Lazlo Gets Grounded. Enjoy the episode.
Okay, class. I am now going to take attendance. Please sit here when I call your name. Harvey?
Here.
Lazlo? Where's Lazlo?
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, I'm late for class. Miss Green is going to give me a detention if I walk into her class late. I need to do something about this. Oh. Wait a minute. I know what I'll do. I will go pull the fire alarm. There's one at the end of the hallway with no security cameras in sight. I'll go pull the alarm and run out of the school as fast as I can and find a good hiding place. It'll give me an excuse as to why I showed up to class late and I couldn't get out of my detention. Ha 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 ha. Now let's go pull the fire alarm. I'm not sure, Miss Green. He usually sits next to me.
Well, he's tardy for the 5th time this semester, which means he's going to get an after-school detention. Anyways, let's continue with... Oh no. It's the fire alarm. Everyone line up at the door and I will lead you all to the emergency exit.
I got to find a hiding spot quick.
Okay, I think it is safe to go back inside. The first responders will be here in a minute. We'll have to tell them about the situation. It seems like everything's okay.
Okay, I will gather my class and let the other teachers know that it is safe to bring their students back in the building as well.
Okay. Excuse me, Principal Hernandez, one of your students pulled the fire alarm for no reason. We didn't see any fire or any kind of threat in the building, but we did see on the security cameras that one of your students ran to one of the fire alarm switches at the end of one of your hallways and ran out of the school right afterwards. Oh. Did you get the description of the student? He was wearing a purple shirt and white shorts, with black and white Converse shoes. I know exactly who that is. Look, we are not very happy that we had to come all the way over to your school for this. So I need you to pass along this message to the student who pulled your fire alarm. We will give him this one and only warning not to do it again, but if he dares to do such a thing again, he will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law and could face serious jail time. However, before we proceed further, what kind of punishment will you give to the kid? He will be suspended for a very long time. And by a long time, I mean several weeks. And they will also make him serve Saturday detentions for a whole month when he is back from his suspension. Okay. That sounds like more than a fair punishment for the kid. But again, please remind him of what the consequences will be if that little brat does such a thing again. Have a good day, and hopefully we won't have this problem again. I hope so too. I'm sorry for this inconvenience, and making you guys come all the way over here for nothing. Sorry if I was a little harsh to you when we found out what happened. You also have a tough job to do, and I couldn't see myself being in charge of 1,000 kids every single day. I respect what you do. Good day. It's okay. You're all good. Good day to you as well.
Oh fuck.
Lazlo, I know what you did, and you are going straight to Mr. Hernandez's office.
I don't know what you are talking about.
Lazlo, do you think I'm stupid? You pulled the fire alarm so you could get out of being tardy to class and getting an after-school detention. But I have some good news and bad news for you. Good news is, you can forget about your after-school detention, because the bad news is, you will be receiving a punishment way worse than an after-school detention. Go to Mr. Hernandez's office. Right now.
No, please, Miss Green. I'm so sorry. I didn't think it would be that big of a big deal to pull the fire alarm. What if there was an actual fire that none of us knew about?
Lazlo. There was no fire in the building. Go to the principal's office before I lose my mind. Right now.
Wait a minute, this isn't your office?
Lazlo, that should be the least of your concerns right now. You have no idea how angry I am at you. I got yelled at by the fire department for what you did, and they also told me to pass this message along to you. They said that if you do such a thing again, you will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. They were gracious enough to give you a warning, and you should be extremely lucky that you didn't get any criminal charges pressed against you today. You made a very poor choice by pulling the fire alarm to try and get out of being tardy to class, in which you would have been given an after-school detention. You can forget about that consequence, because what I'm about to give you in terms of consequences is far worse than what you would have gotten today. So here are the consequences. You will be given 15 days of out-of-school suspension. Because you are serving more than 10 days of out-of-school suspension, you will be attending the Plottergun Alternative High School for Troublemakers for the 15 days that you are suspended out of school for. When you come back, you will serve 15 days of in-school suspension. After you serve the 6 weeks worth of suspensions, you will also serve 4 consecutive Saturday detentions. Young man, you have no idea how close you are to being expelled from this school. You better get your act together. So let me also give you this very stern warning before you leave, and call your parents if you get another referral, and if your misbehavior is on enough grounds to receive a suspension, you will be expelled. Do you understand, Lazlo?
Yes, I understand. But please don't suspend me and call my parents. I don't want to get grounded by them and also attend the alternative school for troublemakers. Wah!
Lazlo, you basically committed a crime today and got away with it. False use of emergency communication systems is a very serious crime, Lazlo. You could have been facing jail time and more today. You should be thankful that this became the outcome of your misbehavior. I think I'm being easy on you. You deserve a way worse punishment than this, in my honest opinion. But I'm not here to argue with you. Get out of my office and go home. Your parents will be contacted, and it's too bad that you're going to be grounded. Go home right now.
Young man, you have no idea how much trouble you're in right now. That's it, I've had it with you. Lazlo, not only will you be grounded for the next 10 weeks during your suspensions and Saturday detentions, but when you are done with all of that, I will be sending you to a scared straight camp. The Plottergun prison has a program for troublemakers like you who misbehave frequently. Your mother and I had this conversation earlier, and we think it is best if you attend this camp in order to correct your behavior.
What? No. Dad. You can't do this to me. I don't want to go to scared straight camp. No.
To be continued on Lazlo Gets Grounded.